getting your environment all set up. So like I said before, we're going to focus in on JavaScript because it's a very versatile language, and you can use it for many different areas of code. So you can use it for websites, you can use it for the mobile app development, and you can use it for the back end even, which would mean servers and databases and things, APIs and things like that. So what I'm going to do is help you set up something called Node.js. Node.js is essentially the core parts of JavaScript packaged independently from a browser, because usually a browser does interpreting for JavaScript. But Node.js allows us to do back-end development like server and database type integrations and APIs and things like that. So that's kind of what we'll start with. I'll start you off with setting you up with Node.js so you don't have to worry about the browser or any of that setup. And just kind of get familiar with those concepts we spoke about in the last few videos. Get stuck, don't be afraid of that. That's okay. Next video, I'll show you how to get unstuck when you do get stuck. So there's certain resources that'll help you more than others, certain documentation that'll help you more than others, and like I said, I'll show you some of that in the next video, but feel free to kind of dabble around. That's kind of the idea of getting you set up. So we'll go ahead and jump in here. All you're going to do, it's super easy to set up, it does most of it for you, is just go ahead and type Node.js download, and it'll be the first one that pops up in your Google search. So what you want to do is go with this LTS version. That's just the long-term support version. It just essentially means it's not going to have any bugs or anything that's going to mess up, where latest features can kind of be buggy sometimes. So just go ahead and pick whatever works for you here, and it'll automatically set you up, like I said. So what you'll also want is something called an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So all it'll do is just make it easier on you. It'll do some things for you. It'll point out some errors that you have. And so what we're going to do is download Visual Studio Code. It's a free one made by Microsoft, and it's just very versatile. It works for a lot of different languages. So you would just download it for Mac or for Windows, whatever platform you might be using. And it'll do a lot for you. Go ahead and go through the setup. I don't think I need to go through it. If you guys have any trouble, go ahead and leave a comment, and I can help you set up either of these. It's not a big deal. But thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and like I said, leave any comments if there's anything I may have missed or anything that you may need help with, and I'll do my best to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.